guys, today we're going to be checking out Trexler Nature Preserve down near Allentown. So to start off, we're going to want to go to the Mill Creek Road parking lot. Start off from the parking lot, heading up Brian's Trail. Take the first left onto Snake, and follow that all the way up to the top of Half Pipe 1. Half Pipe 1 is a blue flow trail. It has smooth berms, small rollers, and is a perfect way to warm up. You'll end up intersecting back over Brian's Trail and head into the second half of Half Pipe 1. Today the trail crew was working on a jump. They've been putting in a ton of work recently and it shows.
Looking good.
At the end of Half Pipe 1, you'll find yourself back on Brian's Trail. If you turn left, you'll actually track back up to get to the top of the next downhill trail, Half Pipe 2. Before dropping into this trail, you'll find some picnic tables and a little bit of a skills park with some wooden skinnies and logs.
Are we near the airport?
Half Pipe 2 can also be separated into two separate parts by its intersection with Brian's Trail. The top half is more flowy, with some tabletops, doubles, and step downs. The second half also has a lot of flow, but a bit more tech, with some log rolls, rocks, and a few punchy climbs.
You okay?
Half Pipe 2 will once again bring you back to Bryant's Trail. You're going to want to turn right onto Bryant's Trail and follow it to the end. You'll turn left onto Buck's Run, where you'll begin your climb to Trexler's most fun trail. Turn right onto Teardrop Trail, follow it to the start of the return of Bryant's Trail. The machine-built trail will make you forget that you're at a free nature preserve and give you more of a feeling of a lift access bike park. The return of Bryant's Trail is their newest trail that features the biggest jumps, the biggest berms, and in my opinion, is the best trail here. Climb trail is located right at the bottom, so it's super easy to loop this trail for tons of fun. To find your way back to the parking lot, take Teardrop Trail back toward the beginning of Half Pipe 1. You can do the first half of Half Pipe 1, and then link up with Bryant's Trail, which will take you right back to the parking lot.
Well, we're done now, okay? Now we're visiting the bison because we're in Wyoming right now.
Alright, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you're on the fence about visiting Trexler, I hope this video was enough to convince you to give it a try. Now there is one trail that I haven't had a chance to film yet. It's called Broken Arrow, and it is the only black here. It's actually accessed from the same starting point as Half Pipe 1. It just brings you down to the opposite side of the hill. It'd be a little bit harder to loop in with the rest of the trails, but from other videos I've seen here on YouTube, it looks like a pretty fun trail.